Stop scrolling for a second. Most people think they lack motivation to stay disciplined. The truth, motivation isn't the problem. It's a trap. And here's the kicker. 99% of people fail at building discipline. And the third reason, you won't believe it. A few months ago, I set huge goals. Wake up at 5 a.m., hit the gym every day, read a book each week. At first, I was unstoppable. But by week 3, I was snoozing alarms, skipping workouts, scrolling my phone instead of reading. Sound familiar? That's the cycle most people get stuck in. And it's not because you're weak. Here's the first reason most people fail. They wait to feel motivated. Motivation comes in waves. It feels great at first, but as soon as it fades, old habits return. Think about New Year's resolutions. The first few days feel amazing, then everything crumbles. Fix it. Build systems, not just goals. Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Put your book on your pillow, place your alarm across the room. Discipline isn't about forcing yourself every day. It's about making success automatic. Next problem, the all-or-nothing mindset. Many people think discipline means perfection. Never miss a workout. Wake up at 5 a.m. every day. Eat perfectly, but the moment you slip once, you feel like a failure. And you quit. Fix it. Follow the 2-day rule. Missed a workout? Don't miss the next one. Ate poorly? Get back on track tomorrow. Consistency beats perfection. Even 80% adherence builds massive results over time. Now, the reason almost everyone fails. The one nobody talks about. Identity. You don't act disciplined because you don't see yourself as disciplined. Deep down, your brain says, this isn't who we are. Here's the breakthrough. Shift your identity. I am the type of person who exercises daily. I am a reader. Every small action reinforces this identity. Suddenly, discipline isn't a struggle. It becomes automatic. This is why number 3 is the most important. If you get this right, everything else falls into place. If this is hitting home, hit subscribe now. I post content that actually changes how you think and act. You don't want to miss the next one. So remember, stop relying on motivation. Build systems. Forget perfection. Focus on consistency. Shift your identity. Become the person who sticks to their goals. Discipline isn't about suffering or forcing yourself. It's about designing your life so success becomes automatic. Once you get this right, discipline stops feeling like struggle and starts feeling like freedom.